Hello guys, what's up? It's Jefferson from ODI Custom. Today I will show the 6.0 Power Stroke engine. In this project here in the shop, I will make a bulletproof. The 6.0 Power Stroke, I have a lot of weak points from studs, from cylinder head, from piston. And this project here in the shop, I changed everything. I put Miley forged pistons, forged piston ring, new crankshaft, new push rods, and I make a cylinder head. I make a O-ring, Felpro gasket, the coolant system. I make the upgrade from Mishimoto, transmission radiator, engine radiator, oil coolant filter, and change a lot of things. This project, I put it top performance injectors over here, change everything. This is a brand new engine, brand new project. I changed the gold plugs, harness, engine harness, everything top of the end. Performance parts, and the next time I will finish the assembly. I have a digital torque wrench and this type of the tool. I can give it 2 stages. In the final stage, because I changed the studs, put the RP studs is 265 feet libras, okay? And the following in the YouTube or Instagram, the next week I will put this engine running at the dyno, okay? Take care, bye bye.